Hello, everyone. Today we'll be looking at our Elucian Ethos connector that we created using our connector builder. And we'll look at the operations and how these operations can be used when you're creating transactions using Jitterbit Cloud Studio. So here on the right, you see that we have configured Elucian Ethos endpoint. That was created using our connector builder. As soon as you put the credentials for your Elucian endpoint, all of the operations will show up here on the right. And the example that you see here, here in the middle is getting the address and updating the address. So it's a simple drag and drop. You can just take one of these and drag it over here and configure the operation. So you can, with our connector, we're passing in a token in the variable, and that token gets refreshed every time the operation runs. It could also be cached and stored. I believe it is refreshed every 5 minutes. So we do have a token refresh that runs every 5 minutes. So we get the token, and then that is being used in using the run operation function within Jitterbit. So if we run this operation right now, we'll get the list of addresses since we've configured the activity for our Elucian Ethos connector. If I click here and just do a quick deploy just to make sure that everything is deployed and looks fine. And then we're just going to run this real quick. And now we see the status shows up here. The first thing it does based on the first call, it's checking to see if the token needs to be refreshed. If it doesn't need to be refreshed, you can cache it and use that same token. If not, it will make a call to that operation to get the token. And then as soon as the token is received, it will call the activity to get the list of addresses. It could be saved in a variable using the transformation, and then that variable can be used as a source for any update you need to make to your Salesforce instance or any other target that it needs to go. So if we click on to get our logs, looks like we got success with info because I am writing to the operation log just to see that we have some data. And again, this is good for development purposes. Now you see that we got our token. So the token was received. And then we've also limited the number of addresses to 3. So we got the address, all 3 addresses back. Now going back to our operation, you can also use all the operations are created up front. And you can use, in this example, you see that you can expose it as an API, putting the API request in front, or it can be an API response. And then you can also put it on schedule. So that concludes the demo for describing how you can use Elucian Ethos endpoint that was created using our connector builder and how you can use it in different operations. If you have any more questions, please contact Jitterbit. Thank you.